Notice. Watch this video online and do not download this video, because the password show as subtitle and it is YouTube policy that you can't see password offline. You can see it during watching the video online. Please don't download video. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Like this video, also share and comment. Here are some examples of this preset. First go to Light. Contrast to +40. Highlight to +20. Shadow to +40. White to +40. Blacks to -20. Go to Color. Vibrance to +40. Saturation to +10. Go to Color Mix. Saturation to +10. Go to Orange. Saturation to -20. Luminance to +10. Go to Yellow. Hue to +30. Saturation to -10. Luminance to -10. Go to Green. Hue to +30. Saturation to +10. Go to Oak Wall. Saturation to +30. Go to Blue. Hue to -20. Saturation to +30. Go to Purple. Saturation to +30. Go to Pink. Saturation to +30. And done. Go to Effects. Clarity to -20. Dehaze to +10. Go to Details. Noise reduction to 15. Curve noise reduction to 15. And done. Now copy this preset to the another photo.